I used to feel stuck, lost, like I was just going through the motions. Then I started doing these 20 habits every single day, and everything changed. This isn't about some overnight miracle. It's about a slow, painful, permanent transformation. It starts with waking up before the world, before the noise, before the scroll. In that quiet morning hour, I meet myself, and I always show up. Then I make my bed. It's not just about neatness. It's about momentum. It's winning the first battle of the day. Next, cold showers. It's 60 seconds of pure discipline. If I can conquer that initial discomfort, I feel like I can conquer anything. After that, I take a daily walk. But here's the key. I leave my phone behind. No podcasts, no calls, just my thoughts. That's where most of my best ideas are born, in that space of pure clarity. Then comes the work. 1 hour of deep work. No extra tabs, no phone buzzing. Just focused, brutal, productive effort. And speaking of brutal, lifting heavy things, both physically in the gym and mentally by tackling hard problems. Iron sharpens everything. I drink water like it's my superpower because, honestly, it is. Proper hydration changed my energy levels completely. And every day I read at least 10 pages of a book. This single habit rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving the chaos of social media and started craving growth and knowledge. At the end of the day, I journal. Some days, my thoughts are messy and all over the place. Some days, I write something profound. But every single day, it's honest. It's a conversation with myself. And I always keep one daily promise, even if it's something small. That's how you rebuild trust in yourself. The first hour of my day is a no-screen zone. I protect my mind before the world has a chance to flood it with demands and distractions. I also started tracking my time, not to be a productivity robot, but simply to be aware. You'd be shocked to find out where your time is actually bleeding away. This awareness allowed me to start saying no, a lot. Not to be rude, but to stay focused and protect my energy. Every night, I embrace silence. No music, no content, just me and my thoughts, processing the day. That's where the real healing happens. And no matter how tired I am, I get in some daily movement. A walk, a stretch, anything. Motion destroys stagnation. I started eating clean, not for a six-pack, but for energy, for focus, for the mental war we fight every day. I keep my space clean, too. Outer chaos equals inner chaos. I cleaned like my life depends on it, because sometimes it feels like it does. Before bed, I write down 3 wins from the day. Even if the only win was, I didn't quit. It's about recognizing progress. And throughout the day, I talk to myself with respect. If I don't have my own back, who will? Finally, the most important habit of all. I remind myself daily that no one is coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits didn't transform me overnight. It was a slow build. It was never about finding motivation. It was about building discipline through repetition. It's about stacking those tiny wins, day after day, and building a new identity in silence. Because the loudest, most powerful transformations often happen quietly. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more.